Is your 2018-2022 Toyota Camry key fob acting up? Reduced range, delayed responses, or needing multiple button presses are signs of a weak battery. Replacing it yourself is easy and saves money. This video guides you through the process, keeping you secure and saving you time and frustration. Your Camry flip key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This standard battery provides reliable power for keyless entry and ignition functions. The CR2032 has specific specifications: 3 volts, 220 mAh capacity, 20 millimeters in diameter, and 3.2 millimeters in height. This battery typically lasts 2 to 4 years with normal daily use. However, extreme temperatures can shorten its lifespan significantly. For best performance, use high-quality batteries. Eco-friendly lithium alternatives are also available, offering similar reliability with less environmental impact. You can test battery voltage with a multimeter if needed. It should read around 3 volts when fresh. Identifying the correct CR2032 battery ensures your key fob continues to work reliably. You'll only need a few basic tools for this replacement: a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to open the key fob casing, and a new CR2032 lithium coin cell battery, which powers the key fob functions. Pre-packaged replacement kits are available online, including the battery and tools you need. Prepare a clean, well-lit workspace to avoid losing small parts. Now let's start the replacement. Carefully locate the seam on the back or side of the fob near the key blade hinge. Gently pry open the casing with your screwdriver or pry tool. Avoid excessive force to prevent cracking the plastic. Now, gently remove the old battery. Before removing the old battery, carefully note its orientation. The positive side typically faces upward in the key fob. Using a tool if needed, gently pop out the old battery from the fob casing. Place the new CR2032 battery into the fob, ensuring the positive side faces upward. Press the battery down firmly to ensure it sits securely and makes proper electrical contact. Snap the key fob casing back together, ensuring it's fully closed. Test the key fob's functions: lock, unlock, trunk release, and panic alarm. If the key fob doesn't work after the battery replacement, try reprogramming it. This syncs the fob with your car's system. Consult your owner's manual for specific instructions tailored to your Camry model. Alternatively, hold both the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds. This should sync the fob with your car automatically. For some models, you may need to visit a Toyota dealer for professional reprogramming to ensure proper functionality.